Welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy and I'm so happy you're here. Today is actually going to be quite like an important video for me because I'm going to show you guys a little bit of my journey, how I got into not only digital marketing, but how I got into this entire process. This video is really for the person who feels stuck, who's been trying to figure out how to make money online, if this is even possible, and at the same time has been researching and looking at so many videos, but you're getting like this information overload. I remember just all of the information overload that I was getting with trying to figure it all out. I know in my last video I shared with you, if you didn't see my last video, I've linked it below, but it is talking about how you can make money online literally for free. And we pretty much discussed affiliate marketing. If you haven't checked that video out, go check it out. The video today is really about how you can make money online with 100% profit. Instead of a commission, you pretty much get 100% of the sale. So how does this work, and how have people been able to do this? So this is all because of the internet that we're all using and the capabilities to be able to use digital products. So digital products, for example, are a few of these here listed here. All of these right here are digital products, and I'm sure you've seen them around, but probably have not noticed that it is a business, and it is a lucrative business that people are making more than 6 figures. And I think it is one of the best side hustles, especially for busy moms, working moms, stay-at-home moms, anybody really and truly, anyone can do digital products. But especially if you are just a busy mom or a single mom and you're working and you're trying to find another way to make money online instead of getting a second job, you're better off learning how to not only make digital products, but to market them. I want to share with you exactly how I got into selling digital products. So the first method that I used to sell digital products was actually through PLR rights. PLR rights means private label rights. And all that simply means is you can take somebody else created digital products, and you're able to take that digital product and literally edit it and add your own logo, add your own things, but it gives you like the skeleton that you can use for your own digital product. I started off with ebooks. I also did digital arts, and you can market these on any of the social media platforms or create a website and then market it that way. Another way of getting digital products is actually through master resell rights. Master resell rights is simply getting a done-for-you digital product, same as PLR, except with master resell rights, you're able to take it and resell it over and over and over again, but sometimes you're unable to make the changes. The biggest difference between PLR and master resell rights is that when you have a master resell rights product, your customer can also resell it. And so the chain continues pretty much over and over and over again. Whereas for PLR products, once you edit the PLR product, you can just sell it as a commercial, and your customer or your client does not edit it. Whereas master resell rights, it's a specific license that allows you to pass over that license right to your customer, and then it's an effect that everyone who gets it can resell it. And then the third way is actually just simply outright creating your own digital product. You can create templates, sell it on Etsy, but I'm going to share with you one of the best ways that I found to just sell your products without using Etsy. I've tried Etsy. I haven't had much success with Etsy. So some of the ways that you can actually sell digital products is just creating your own digital product. You have tools like Canva, Kittl, even Adobe that you can literally create your own digital product. You can create it on Notion, anywhere really and truly that you'd like. Even you can create an Excel sheet. All of these are considered digital products because what you're doing is you're electronically sending over the product to your customer and solving a problem. And so once you have your digital product, the next step would be to market your product, sell it on different platforms, market your product over and over and over again, just the same way that you would if you had a physical product. If you have a physical product and you are in the business of selling shoes, what you're going to do is you're going to market your shoes over and over and over and over again. It is the exact same way when it comes to digital products. The next part that is really important is where do you host your digital product? So there's so many different places to host it. There's Systems.io, there's StanStore, there's Beacons. Beacons is by far my favorite way to host my products. If you want to just see how it is, you can see in the link below that I have all of my digital products hosted on Beacons. There's so many ways. You can even do it on Shopify. I host my products in Beacons AI and I also use Shopify. I'm going to link them both below so you can just check out my digital products that I have both in the website format and then also in my hosting platform with Beacons. So as a complete beginner now, so let's get into as a complete beginner, I stumbled upon a lot of blocks. Even though I was researching on YouTube just the same way that you are, I came across so many hurdles. So one of the biggest issues that I faced was my marketing. I had no idea how to market. I didn't even know what marketing was. This me down a rabbit hole. I really didn't even know about marketing until I got introduced to a course that teaches you business automation. And the course I'm talking about here is called the Roadmap course. This course broke down all of the important aspects of not only marketing, but automating your business and a lot of other key things that I'll just list here that I was not aware of. But as I took the course, literally everything changed. Things started to click and but all literally changed once I took the course because now all of the information that I didn't even know I needed was in the course. It literally guided me to pretty much creating everything that you see down below, but understanding marketing in my business. If you want to know more about that, just leave a comment below and I'm going to be making a video about all of the courses that I've taken and my reviews on every single one. With digital products, I personally think it is the easiest way to make money online. And I don't want to say that it is the easiest way to make money 2024, 2023. I really truly believe that as long as we are functioning online, digital transactions is going to be something that we're going to all need. As I create this YouTube right now, I could easily be creating a course using my camera and creating a digital product and selling that. And so I just really want you to see that it's not even about within this year. Digital products is going to be here forever. As long as we have the internet and people are transferring information and data through online. And to be honest, it's actually a lot more easier to use because, for example, I love reading. But then I also don't want to carry my books everywhere that I go. And so I got myself a Kindle. And the reason why I got a Kindle is because whenever I'm around or if I'm traveling, instead of carrying the books that I want, I could probably just carry one book, but all of my other books are in here and this is digital. I really hope this was helpful because this is my journey and this is what I went through. I felt like there was a moment where I wasn't sure about how to effectively market online. And I feel like I'm able to bring everything that I learned, not only from the course, but everything that I've learned within this digital space now onto my YouTube because I remember searching and really and truly I found that the information online is available, but it's scattered. It's scattered and I'm hoping that within my page I can make it a little bit more seamless and that I just break it down as simple as possible. If this wasn't simple, leave a comment down below because I would be more than happy to create another video just like this to make it really simple. In all, like digital products is literally just the exchange of information through the web. And it is, at the end of it all, it is solving a problem that someone is looking for. And ask yourself, what are some of the problems that you've been searching for? And if you create a solution for it, I'm sure there is a market ready to pay for that. Whether you're selling it for free or whether you're selling it for $1 or $200, $5,000, it is possible and you can do it. So thank you guys so much. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Roxy. Radiate with Roxy is literally created so that I can bring ease and show you guys just different ways, not only that you can make money online, but just to be productive in life, just to save you time, and that I hope it works for you. If you have any questions on making money online or you want me to check out something, I will be more than happy to check it out and then do a video on it. Yeah, just leave a comment below. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.